Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use SEMrush for keyword research. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your SEMrush or SEMrush account, which of course I have done right here. And it's pretty much easy for you to create an account on SEMrush. All you need to do is to launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type semrush.com. That's going to take you to the official website. In there, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in SEMrush. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to use SEMrush for keyword research. From the left corner of your homepage, you're going to find a couple features here, which include projects, SEO, SEO dashboard, domain overview. All right, that's your competitive research, to keyword research, to link building, and on-page and tech SEO. So let's quickly hop into how to use this for keyword research. The first I'd like you to do is to select keyword overview from the left corner of your screen. So you're going to have to select keyword overview under the keyword research category. And that's going to take you right into this wonderful page. So from here, you're going to have to select your keyword. That's the keyword that you want to search. So let's say I'm going to use any of those examples. Okay, let's say, I'm just going to use Boya microphone. So you can go ahead and select location if you want to, or you can go ahead and change the location from here. Let me set it to United States, and I'm just going to punch the search button, and it's going to take me right into this page. So here you have the overview, and of course you have the bulk analysis. So we can just go all the way down and find what exactly. So this is the volume for this particular keyword that's here. You have this 590. So this is 590 percent of people, or the volume is 590 people that have actually used this keyword. So that means it's pretty much high. Okay, so you can go ahead and check. This is keyword difficulty. That's the KD. So it is 40%. All right, so that means the 40% difficulty. So it's not really difficult for you to search this particular word. And then you have the global volume in India, in PHBD, MY, US, AE. You can find the volume here also. And then the intent, you can even switch this to navigational or transactional and see how it is. So this is the CPC, this is the competitive density, so that you can of course track everything from it. This keyword variations, 686, and then you have other suggestions, other keyword ideas for you. So you have this Boya microphone. It's 590 volume, which is pretty cool, 40% KD. And you have this Boya wireless microphone, 110, has great volume and 37% difficulty. Boya lavalier microphone, you can also find it here. You can view all 668 keyword variations or other keyword ideas. So here are questions, especially if you want to go for how to. So you can say like how to repair or how to pair Boya wireless microphone. Are Boya microphones any good? You can use any of these things for facts to build up your frequently asked questions. So you can see the volume and the KD as well. This one's do not have difficulties, but this one has 31%, so it's really low. And you have this volume 30 is quite high. Okay, so scroll the way down to the SERP analysis. You can, of course, analyze it from here. This is 9.9 million SERP that the search engine ranking page features. So you can find them here. These are also sites where you have this Boya, where you can find Boya mic on. So you can actually use this as backlinks. All right, when you add them to your, or when you're creating any content in your landing page. So this is pretty much how you can search for keywords this is just how you can search for keywords. You can even click on update metrics for you to update the metrics. Head over to bulk analysis for you to, you know, enter up to this, so you can enter as many more keywords and just click on analyze, or you can just analyze just that specific keywords that you entered, specific keyword that you entered in the search bar over here. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.